Hello and welcome to ADVICEment. My name is Igor and I'm going to show you how to use the DynamicDocs Excel add-in to create PDFs directly from your Excel spreadsheets. For this, we will download and install the add-in, generate the API key which we'll use to authenticate the API calls from Excel, download a template spreadsheet from our website and create a few PDFs with a click of a button. Let's get started. So the first step is to download the add-in from ADVICEment.io. To do that, you can just select the Excel to PDF add-in menu and click on the download page. If you scroll down on the download page, there's a button that allows you to download the add-in, and we're just going to put it straight into our downloads folder. Once it is downloaded, we will just click on it to install. This is just a normal installation file. Please note that the add-in is available only on Windows machines, so if you run Excel on Windows, then you'll be able to use it. However, if you're using it on Excel on Mac, or if you're using Office 365 online, it is not supported and you will not be able to use the add-in. So I just went through the quick prompt and downloaded. I'm going to open Excel to show you what it looks like once it is downloaded, so you can see if it's been installed correctly. And what you should, once Excel opens, what you should be able to see is just a DynamicDocs ribbon at the top of Excel. So if I'm just going to open it, this is the DynamicDocs ribbon, and it's got the different options that will be able to create documents from Excel. So the next step will be to generate the API key from our website, and I'll take you through that just now. To generate the API key, you will have to sign up for an account at ADVICEment.io and just go simply to the dashboard page. At the moment, I'm logged in to one of our company's accounts. Please note that this account has an individual plan. So to use the Excel add-in, you will have to upgrade your plan from the free plan that is automatically allocated to each account to an individual plan or higher. So to go back to our original task, to generate the API key, you just have to go to the account details, click edit, and then at the bottom there will be a button that you can use to generate the API key. In this case, we're just regenerating our API key, and it gives us a warning simply saying that if we are going to regenerate it, we'll have to update it everywhere where we use it. We said okay, and then this pop-up comes up where with your API key, which we're just going to copy and place it somewhere safe so that we can use it later. So it's as simple as that. And the next step, we're just going to download the spreadsheet, one of the templates, which we can use to generate PDFs from Excel. To access the template library, all we have to do is click Excel to PDF add-in menu and then just click Excel to PDF templates. As of today, these are the spreadsheets that are available that we've set up to generate different PDF documents from Excel. And for the purpose of this video, let's say we want to create invoices from Excel. So what we're going to do is just download this template called Create Invoices PDFs from Excel V1, and we're just going to put it into our downloads folder. So the spreadsheet is already set up basically to start generating the invoices, and I'm just going to take you through the different tabs that are available. So in the instructions sheet, we have the instructions to start using the add-in, which is really the outline of this video. So in the create documents, this is where we collate the data for the invoice, and we put it into the JSON format using the Excel add-in functions. And in the B column, we have a function that makes the API calls, and what you can see what it uses is the full JSON. It uses the file name that we want when we download the document, and a different template token which indicates which template you want to be using. So for our case, we're going to be making an invoice. This is why it says simple invoice V1. In the document settings, we have different settings for each invoice. Here you can change the logo, the font, the colors, and what it looks like. And the document content sheets, we have the dynamic data for each invoice. So again, everything in the template is dynamic, and you can change the different lines, different totals, etc. So before we make the API call, what we're going to do is we're going to open our DynamicDocs settings and paste our API key, which we generated in the previous step, in this ADV security token. And then we're going to have a default save location. This is where the files are saved to, so we're just going to keep it in the downloads folder and click save. And now we are ready to make the API calls. So to make the API calls, it's really straightforward. We just click this all button, which makes all the API calls available in the sheet. And if we click it, it will start processing. So what it does is it takes this JSON that we formatted and sends it to our API, and then automatically downloads the documents. So you can see it finished downloading, and we have the 3 invoices that appeared in our PDF folder. So it's as simple as clicking a button. Thank you very much for watching. We're going to be making more of these videos, which will go into greater detail of how one can use the add-in and the different functions available. So please subscribe to our channel and leave a comment. We would love to hear from you. Bye for now.